This brief tutorial video will give you an overview of your OfferingTree account. To sign into your dashboard, click on the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner. Enter the email address that you used to sign up for your OfferingTree account. Enter your password, and then click Sign In. If you can't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password just below the Sign In button to retrieve a new password. After signing in, you'll notice that the Sign In icon in the top right corner changed to your first and last name. If you click on your name, you now have two options. You can manage your site or sign out. If you click on Manage Your Site, this will take you into the back end of your OfferingTree account. You'll notice that the dashboard section is highlighted. This is the dashboard that gives you an overview of what's happening with your OfferingTree account. You can see the number of visitors, the number of page views, and the number of clients that have signed up for your various offerings. And you can see this on the last week or in the last month by clicking on either 30 days or 7 days. You'll also be able to get a quick view of how many signups you've had for each of your various offerings. Your most recent offering, the one that is coming up in the near term, is listed on the leftmost side, and everything else follows to the right-hand side. And you can see a ways out by scrolling using the scroll bar to see your various upcoming offerings and how many signups you've had. This is a nice way to get a quick overview of what's happening just as you log into your OfferingTree account. The next subsection, editing your website, includes Home, and this is where you can change the images, change the text. Everything that's associated with your home page can be edited from this section, the Home section. If you click on the Schedule, this is where you would actually schedule your various offerings so that your students or clients could sign up on your OfferingTree account. There's another video that will explain how to schedule in detail, but for now, know that this is the section where you would go to schedule your various offerings. Under Managing Your Offerings, you'll see the Offerings subsection. This is where you can get a quick view of the various offering categories that you have and subcategories. Notice that within the category of yoga, you can have multiple specific offerings like Yoga Flow, Calming Yoga, Sunrise Yoga, Yoga Basics. So even within one particular offering category, there can be multiple subcategories. You can also set the price, so if it's donation or if it's fee-based. And you can quickly edit the offering by clicking on the Edit button. You can schedule it, which will bring you to the schedule options for this particular offering, or you can delete that offering and remove it from what you make available to your students and clients. If you click on the Roster section, this will give you an overview of all of your upcoming offerings with the most recent offering showing at the top and the later offerings showing below. You can also set the date range, so even if you want to see something in the past, you can pick a date that occurred in the past, and it'll update to show you all of the prior offerings and the rosters for that, which is how many of your students or clients signed up. If you click on a particular offering, for example, this Sunrise Yoga, it'll bring up the roster. Notice that since nobody signed up, it shows no signups. If you did have clients or students signing up, you would see their names and email addresses listed in this box. Analytics. This is a section where we would love to hear from you about what information you would find most useful. For example, when is the best time to schedule a workshop or a class, or if you'd like to see the number of visitors or signups that you've had over a week, a month, several months, a year. So whatever information you think would be most useful to helping you be successful, we'd like to hear from you, and you can click on this link right here to suggest your ideas. The next section is the Account section, and if you click on the Profile subsection, you'll see that you're able to edit your name, you're able to change your profile picture. You're not able to change your email because this is what we use to identify your account. If for some reason you do need to change your email, you can always send an email to support@offeringtree.com, and we'll assist you in changing your email address. You can also link to your social network sites. This is where you'd fill that information. And I'll show you in another video how that looks on your particular OfferingTree site, so that when your students or clients come looking for your offerings, they can also find your various social network feeds. And the last thing I want to mention is the help button in the very bottom left-hand corner. If you have any questions or if there's information that's missing from some of these tutorial videos, just click on the green help button. It'll automatically put in your name, it'll add your email address, and then you can write your question, or you can state the problem that you're having. You can also attach a file, so if you need to take a screenshot of what is happening on your computer, you can do that. And if you're on Macintosh, then all you need to do is click Open Apple, Shift, and the number 4, and that will bring up a box to allow you to do a screenshot of your computer. If you're on a PC, then all you need to do is hit the print screen key, which shows in most keyboards it's in the upper right of your keyboard. Either way, you can send a screenshot of the issue or the problem that you're having, click the send button, and we'll get back to you as soon as we receive your message. So this concludes the overview tutorial, and we look forward to seeing what you have to offer.